Hi kids! This video is only for my students who do not yet have a digital portfolio. I'm going to show you how to create your own digital portfolio today. Let's get started. First, you need to go to Google Drive. Then you're going to click New Google Slides. It should pop up looking something like this. You can slide through these options here and pick one that you like. I'll go with this one. The large title, whichever style you pick, needs to say your name, first and last name, alright? And then here you need to put JMJ Art 2020-21, alright? And then you can put digital portfolio. After you have that done, you're going to go ahead and click up here next to the plus button with the arrow, and we're going to click the one that says caption. For each artwork that you make, you're going to add a new slide. You're going to click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and select a picture of your art. So let me go to my desktop. Let's pretend that this is your art. Alright, so you would put it anywhere on there, but I like the center. Then you would go ahead and at the bottom write this information. So start off again with your name. Then put the title of the art. Then you're going to put the year. And then you're going to put what grade you're in. And then you're going to put what materials you use for the project. And I think this one was oil pastels. Alright, so that's how you would go about it. So every time you make a new artwork, you're going to update this portfolio with the new slide. And you're going to continually add new pictures of your art on there. And at the end of the year, you should have a whole slideshow featuring your art. It's also very important that you share this slideshow with me, so click here where you have the yellow share button. We're going to title our art, your name, and then digital portfolio 2021, or whatever year it is. Then when you share it, you're going to want to put in my email address, which is sydney.allen@teachers.fwisd.org, or you can just share it with me at this email. Alright? So let's see here. So that's the basics of how to set up your digital portfolio. For most of my students, I set them up with a digital portfolio at the beginning of the year, but if you're new, then you'll need to make your own. I hope this helps you walk through the steps. Bye.